Are you looking for an easy way to stay connected while traveling? With Saily Global eSIM, you can skip the hassle of physical SIM cards and activate your plan in just few steps. In this video, I will show you how to set up and active your Saily eSIM effortlessly. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open the Saily app and select your destination. Choose from affordable data plan starting at just USD 8.99, backed by some of the world's best networks. Step 2. Once you have picked your plan, follow the on-screen instructions to install your eSIM on your compatible smartphone. It's quick and easy. Just make sure your device supports eSIM technology. Step 3. Your Saily eSIM activates automatically when you arrive at your destination or 30 days after purchase, whichever comes first. That means no extra steps or manual setup when you land. And that is it. You're now connected with a reliable and affordable eSIM plan, ready to explore without worrying about connectivity. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one.